Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to inoculate embryonated eggs, and demonstrating the whole procedure is Dr. Muzaffar, and I'm going to hand you guys over to him. Okay, as you can see, the whole procedure needs to be done in the safety cabinet, and these are our embryonated eggs, which you can see right here. And the yellow slashes that you can see on top of the eggs are actually the air sac markers that we did after candling. Now, the first thing you need to do is mark the eggs properly in case you forget or are confused about which sample you need to put in where. So Dr. Muzaffar, as you can see, is marking the eggs in accordance to the samples he needs to inoculate them with. Okay, another thing that you need to do is that you need to disinfect the whole egg. So that's why Dr. Muzaffar has applied a layer of iodine on top of the eggs surrounding the air sac mark. Okay, the first thing you need to do is pinch a hole into the shell. Be careful, and you can use an egg borer or you can use a thumb pin. It depends on you. Okay, so we are going to inoculate around 0.2 ml of our sample, and he's using a syringe. Suck up the sample and now inject it through the hole that you made through the pin. Now, as we are actually going forward with the same sample, we are not changing the syringe, but when working with different samples, you need to be sure that the syringes are different. Last thing you need to do is seal the holes that you made using wax or any other method that you know of. And after that, we can put these eggs into the incubator, and then we will proceed on to harvesting after 72 hours. And you're done.